Tomatoes are cultivated extensively for ketchup production worldwide. Farmers plant tomato seeds in early spring. These seeds grow into seedlings, later transferred to larger fields. Tomatoes thrive in warm climates, requiring sunlight and water. Harvesting begins when tomatoes reach perfect ripeness. Machines collect billions of pounds efficiently from large farms. Tomatoes are quickly transported to processing plants. The fresh tomatoes are thoroughly cleaned upon arrival. They are then crushed into a thick pulp. Advanced machinery separates seeds and skins from the pulp. The pulp is cooked down to concentrate the flavor. Sugar, vinegar, salt, and spices are added. The mixture creates the distinctive ketchup taste. Ketchup is pasteurized, ensuring its safety for consumption. Finally, ketchup is packaged into bottles for distribution. This process delivers ketchup to millions globally each year.